Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a system update on your DJI ROMO S. Okay, so if you'd like to perform a system update, you'll need to go to the app, of course, and in the app, simply go to the settings in the top right corner, then go to firmware update, click on it, then click on update if there is an update available. If there's not, of course, you won't be able to update. Now you can see it is beginning the update. It may take a little moment, so get ready for a little wait. I'm gonna place the phone right here, and yeah, I'm gonna get back to you when it's done. And now it says it's updated, so let's click on done, and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.